Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to create these kinds of hyper-realistic AI influencers using the best tools available right now. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, we need a reference image for our model. Head over to Pinterest and search for influencer models. Pick any look you like and download the image. In this video, we are using the ChatGPT Image 2 model. This is by far the best image model right now, way better than Nano Banana 2 for realism and skin texture. Now head over to ChatGPT and open a new chat. Click the plus button and click on Photos and Files. Here, upload the reference image we just downloaded. Click the plus button again. Click on Create Image. Then click on Auto and change the aspect ratio to 9:16. Then paste this prompt. Using the uploaded reference image, keep the exact body, pose, body position, framing, and composition identical. Only change the face, the outfit, the accessories, and the background. Generate a completely new, fully original female face with different facial features and identity, and click on Send Prompt. The full prompt is in the description. And just like that, we get our own original AI influencer. We can use her for anything. Next, we're going to give her motion. She can dance, lip sync, or do anything you want. Head over to Higgsfield AI. This is the best AI platform out there right now. Every top image and video model in one place. From the top menu, open Video, and click on Kling 3.0 Motion Control. This is the cleanest motion model available. Click on Motion Library. Here you'll find a bunch of ready-to-use video templates you can copy motion from. You can also just grab a dance video from Instagram or TikTok and use that instead. Totally up to you. But for this video, I'm using one straight from the library. For this video, I'll go with this one. And the moment I click on it, it gets added automatically. Then click Add Your Character and upload the AI influencer image we created with ChatGPT Image 2. That's it. Click Generate. After about 2 minutes, the video is ready. And here you can see the result. It looks super realistic and the motion is smooth and natural. So go ahead and start creating your own hyper-realistic AI influencers. And if this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI tutorials like this, and drop a comment below telling me what you want to see next. Your support means everything to me. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.